going on YouTube? Edub here, back with another review. Today we're going to be unboxing Titan Security System. Now, I picked this up online, recommended by a friend. They said it was the way to go. Don't pay for the top-of-the-line security systems. Just get yourself a home security system where you can hook up yourself. Now, right out of the box, this thing looks amazing. It looks awesome. Looks like it comes with a lot of different little gears and gadgets that you can kind of mess around with. Maybe use if you don't have a big house or you do have a big house. So they gave you a few options here. So let's get right into it. Open the box up and see what we have. The main thing is this little digital dashboard. Looks like it has. Looks like that's your little home base where you kind of just have all your functions and stuff on it. And then as you can see in the box, there are a lot of different little tools and little gadgets that you can... Oh, this is a horn. I guess that goes somewhere around your house or underneath your house. And you have a motion sensor. Looks like there's a couple of those. A couple glass break entryway systems. A siren. Wide range of things that you can play with. Mix and match. So you can really kind of do it at your leisure. I'm going to hook it up, probably do another video and let you know how it's working out so far. But for right now, this is all that comes in the box. Looks good so far. I'll put it together, make another video, let you know how I feel about it. Alright, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Keep doing things with Edub. Please like and subscribe if you like this content so I can create more videos. And we'll see you later.